Today we're gonna make aloe vera out of slime. And then I have two kinds of food coloring. I have red and blue. I think I'll do both so I can add purple right now. I'm gonna add 2 drops of red. 2. 1 and 2. I accidentally did 3, but that was a little drop, so let's see how it goes. Ooh. This is what our slime that we made with aloe vera earlier. It's bluer than this one. I think I'll mix it up first. Thank you for watching our video of aloe vera. You can make it at home too if you have aloe vera. So, bye bye. And besides, my name is Doriana. One fact of aloe vera is aloe vera treats sunburn.